One of the most impactful quotes I came across was धीरे धीरे रे मना धीरे धीरे सब कुछ होए माली सींचे सौ घड़ा ऋतु आए फल होए. This loosely translates to take your time doing things. A farmer puts 100 pots of water in his tree, but it bears fruits only when the time is right. So this inspired the mission and vision of Natwari Farms. We want to create a self-sustaining and profitable agricultural model that addresses climate resilience and a prosperous community. Our mission includes growing delicious and nutrient-rich food in a economically viable setting. We also want to create a training center for the farmers and agricultural students so that they may learn these techniques and implement in their own farms. Another thing we want to work towards is creating a hub and spoke model for processing. A lot of the food grown around us gets destroyed or damaged during transportation, so we want to make it more decentralized to reduce the carbon footprint of the food we grow and consume. And the fourth thing we want to work towards is a wellness center for the general public, especially school children and families, because growing up I was lucky to know that carrots grow underground. Sometimes children think carrots grow above the ground just like a fruit.
On a tree, yeah.
So we want children to know what their food looks like before it's on their plate. I met Mr. Bala, a member of the GWL team, during a natural farming training camp by Bhaskar Saveji in Maharashtra, India. I was drawn to his curiosity and energy. We were two of the most inquisitive people with the most questions. And then in a few months, he started his iFarmer course, which helped me refine my agricultural basics. And on a farm visit to his model farm, I met another team member of the GWL team, Mr. Jagdishan. So since then, I have been able to visit a lot of farms that they have been developing so that I get a better understanding of the theoretical knowledge they present to me, so I can see that it practically works. I appreciate the problem-solving approach of GWL. They get to the core, the why of the problem before solving it, so that we can establish a problem as a problem and then look for the solution. Their approach towards these problems are very holistic and detail oriented. Some of their problems might be complete opposites depending on the geography of the country, but they make sure to find similar topography, similar weather conditions, soil patterns before presenting a solution. So together with GWL, I hope to discover and learn about more new techniques as they keep evolving across the world and keep up to date with the agricultural practices in the world. Thank you.
Green Way Living.